I decided to change my signal light for the very first time. Simply how to locate it: you lift up your trunk, then you locate the two cap covers, and then you simply remove the two bolts. Once the bolts are removed, then you remove the cover where the signal light is located. Once you flip over the light cover, then you will recognize where your signal light is placed. So then you will twist it and remove, twist and pull out. Then you will simply just remove the old bulb. Just pull it out straight. That's all. Here's the brand I end up using. I went to O'Reilly, and this is the bulb grease that they recommended me to use. Please protect your hands before you put the new bulb in the connector. Why? So that your light can last a little longer. That's all. Just push it back in place like a puzzle piece, and voila! It's done! You have changed your signal light. Congratulations. And just put everything back like a puzzle piece. And just like that, you are done. You have fixed your signal light. Your signal light, ha, ha. Your signal light, ha, ha.